Hi, and welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to look at AI message edit in your AAC app like TouchChat, LAMP Words for Life, or Unity AAC. AI message edit helps you correct grammar, punctuation, and spelling in your speech display bar text. Before we start, make sure your iPad is compatible with and you've enabled Apple Intelligence on your iPad. Use the link in the description to learn more about Apple Intelligence and how to turn it on your device. Okay, now, start by selecting Menu. Then, select Settings. Scroll to AI Features. And toggle on Enable Features. Read the message in the pop-up. Select Yes to display the options. Next, choose Modify Speech Display Bar. You'll see two options, AI Message Edit and AI Translate. Toggle on AI Message Edit. You'll see the following options, Configure AI button and Creative AI. In addition to helping with grammar, punctuation, and spelling, you can also turn on Creative AI, which uses more creative freedom when editing the text in the speech display bar. For this tutorial, we will leave Creative AI off. Next, select Configure AI button. Choose AI Message Edit. This adds an icon to your speech display bar. This is the AI Message Edit button. It acts similarly to a button in your vocabulary. Side note, if you prefer, you can create a button in the vocabulary and add the AI Modify Speech Display Bar button action instead of having the icon in the speech display bar. Now choose the back arrow, back again, and then the blue check mark. Let's give it a try. Here is a message with an error. When we select the AI Message Edit button in the speech display bar, AI will offer you an alternative version of your message. If AI changes your message, the AI Message Edit button becomes an Undo button. Select Undo if you want to go back to your original message. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more AAC tips. See you next time.